This time, the material to be processed is received from a ceramic factory in India. The final result we achieved was to increase the whiteness from 5 to 50. This is based on Chinese testing standards. Now I will briefly describe the testing process. The first step is pulping, which can only be effectively done using wet removal. After about an hour, the material is fully mixed with water through the beating of a mixer, and the next step begins. The second step is screening, where we use a 40 mesh screen. The screen residue is 5%. Normally, the screen residue is discarded, and the next step involves processing the screened material. The third step is magnetic separation to remove iron. This step is the most important. The effectiveness of iron removal depends on both the preliminary processing and the powerful electromagnetic separator used for iron removal. Depending on the output, there are equipment with a capacity of 15 tons per hour and equipment with a capacity of 1 ton per hour. After the first iron removal, the testing process is complete. Why choose a 40 mesh screen and a single iron removal process for this product? Because this material is a byproduct with low value. Generally, a 40 mesh screen is already acceptable in the market. If you want to make a finer than 40 mesh, you need to increase the ball mill. If you want to pass through the iron separator twice, you need to install the magnetic separator. However, the price of the material cannot be increased, and blindly increasing these costs is not necessary. And the downstream manufacturers do not need excessively fine products, so this result can be said to be very successful.